guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make this tasty wrap, potato wrap. So it's looking very tasty. So let's make it. This is my signature wrap. Do try it at your home. Ingredients are 2 big onions and I took 3 chilies, 2 tablespoons of coriander. So I took potatoes also, these are the main thing. So I took 600 gram to 800 grams of potato. It's your wish how much ever you want for the stuffing you can take. So this is green chutney. I made this with curd, pudina, coriander, salt and green chilli. Next one is salt, chilli powder and oil. So this is the dough. In this I've added atta. So you can add maida also, it's up to you. So I added salt and water also. Those are the things which I added here. And you should even pour oil into this so that it becomes soft. So here I have the stove. So you should keep it in medium flame. So first you should add 1.5 tablespoon of oil. So I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon. And then you have to add the onions and chilies. So these are the onion and chilies, I am adding them. So you should not add anything else. This is easy recipe, it's very easy. So I added them, now mix them. So saute it for 2 minutes, mine is over. Then add the potatoes, boiled potatoes. These are not normal potatoes, you should boil them in water. So you should smash all of them. You can smash before only and then add, it's your wish. And then mix well. Now add 1 spoon of salt. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is optional, if you add it is healthy and it will be tasty also. Now add 1 spoon of red chilli powder into this and then mix it. So the color should be like this, almost orange, light orange. Now add coriander and mix it. Now take a small dough portion and roll it very thin. It should be very thin. Then heat up the pan and add this thing. So I made it very thin and you should fry it slightly, very slightly. You should add little bit oil. Now add some little bit of ketchup into this and spread it in the middle. And then add very little green chutney to this. Add in the middle only all of these because these can come out also while frying again. Now place the stuffing in this, in the middle. So the stuffing should be in the middle only, not in the corners. So spread it like this. And now after doing that, if you want you can add ketchup in the upper part also. So I am not adding. Then roll it like this. And then gently press it. Press the stuffing so that it goes to the nearest corners. So mine went. So make sure that the stuffing should not come out. Mine came out a little bit. So after doing that, you should again take the oil, add it into the tawa or anything which you are using and keep it like this and fry it. Now flip it over. Our wrap is ready. You can say it however you want. Now I am cutting it. You can decorate it however you want by adding salad or coriander. So I am cutting it, and after doing that you can serve it. So thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.